Well, I'm on the knife and gun right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay. Bam. Alright, this is what I'm doing. If you want to know. Do you want to know? That's crazy. You want to know. Alright. So, what I'm doing is I'm separating this chicken into different meals. Got 6 meals here. Bam. Right? Apparently, this one got cut open a little bit. So let's start with this one. So, what I'm doing is I'm coming in and I'm pre-seasoning. Alright? Taking this, putting it in here. Alright? And I'm washing it. After I'm washing it, I'm seasoning it up. Each one I'm going to divide into a meal. Now, it's 5 of us living in this house. 6 depending on how we eating that day. So, each one has 4 chicken thighs in it. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Right? Now, so what I'm probably going to do is take a half a pack too. Alright? Now, I just touched this chicken juice. So don't mind me. I ain't going to be touching everything. But I touched this pack that I just got. So, I'm going to put both these packs in. Alright? So, put this in. Now, like I said, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to wash this off. Take all this blood off. Wash this chicken up. I'm trying to let the package get in there. Now, after I wash this up, got my garbage can there. That's what I'm throwing it. After I wash these up, take all this blood off. We're going to come right back, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to go from here. Trust me, you're going to want to see this. It's going to be good. Y'all going to be like, did Dr. Flava do it again? He did. All right, I'll be right back. Well, like I said, I'm back. Wiping up everything. Cleaned the chicken off. Washed that out. Chicken good now. Now what I'm doing is this. Just got this. This is called the Dad You Doing Things machine. I can't. What you already do? Alright. Don't worry about that. They ain't called that. So anyway. They better start giving me some endorsement money, boy. Anyway, with this machine, this is what I'm about to do. So, I got the bottom done. Slide this through. Right? So, now that the bottom done, what I'm going to do is this. Lift this through. Now I'm about to start cutting some bags. I got a little bit of roll left. Not nothing crazy though. So, let me turn this on. Now, like I said, start cutting some bags enough for the chicken I'm doing. That may be a little too much. It's always good to have a little extra, but I don't got no extra bags right now. So a little extra ain't cutting it. Alright, so take that, cut that, clamp that down. Now I got a bag. Now I realize you take this bag and you fold that down. Alright? So you just take it, fold that down. Now the point behind that is you don't want to get this all crazy dirty wet. When you open it, everything should be on the inside or maybe touch that little top part and it'll still be a clean bag. Alright? So put that there. Now when I put that down like that, what that did was, I'm going to unlock it, lift it. What that did was every time I clamp that down, it puts a seal on it. So I don't know if you can see that, get a little closer. It puts a seal on it. So that seal go all the way across. So every time I pull this out, measure a little bag. How many lines I went up on this? That's good to know. That was at that line. I don't know, 1 whole line, 2 whole lines, probably 3 whole lines. So it was at that line, 1 whole line, 2 whole lines, 3 whole lines, a little bit more. That's it right there. Put that down. Now it's sealing it. Slide that across. Now that done cut it. Dang, done dropped the bag. It's alright though. Things happen. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. So, what I'm doing is, I'm taking these bags, like I said, folding them over. After I fold them over, what I'm doing is, I'm taking this seasoned chicken. Now, I didn't season the chicken yet. So, now I got those 2 folded, let me bring this in front. Now this is half the chicken that I got, right? So half the chicken is going to be seasoned. I want a little rosemary in this one. Now this one is going to be different from that batch of chicken over there. But each one I've seasoned is slightly different. Now I put 12 pieces of chicken, so don't think this is crazy a lot of rosemary. But I do want a little turmeric in this as well. Right? Got the turmeric in there. Little onion powder, right? Take that onion powder. Now this is going to be delicious season. Now, we like a lot of onion, right? Now, even though it's a lot of onion, it's not going to be too oniony, trust me. Even for people that don't like a lot of onion. A little black pepper, right? A little parsley. This thing smells good already. I ain't going to lie to you. It smells delicious, all right? Take that parsley, put that in for a little color. Alright, give it a backbone and some taste. A little garlic powder. Right? Take that in. Now remember, that's 12 pieces of chicken, so don't think that that's a lot. Then we found this. It's a French fry seasoning. Now in this French fry seasoning, it's salt, paprika. You notice I ain't put no salt in this. I ain't even put nothing, no powder that had salt in it. So, but in this, it has salt, paprika, for color, of course, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and black pepper. Right? So, I'm going to put that in. So, it's the same things kind of I put in, plus it's salt. Right? So, I'm going to put that in. Now, let me reach in here real quick. Grab my handy dandy fandy mandy. I just made that up. I'm going to grab that up. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this, I only need one right now. I'm going to take this hand and I'm going to mix this up. Alright? Now, the reason I use one is because now I'll be able to still grab this bag, right? Hold it open and drop the chicken in. This smells good, I'm trying to tell y'all. Right? It smells good.
Yeah, it smells really good.
Yeah. So now I'm taking this. Now, if you think about it, this is almost like a marinade. Right? So when I take this and put this in, if you think about this, you drop this in some seasoned flour, that chicken ready to fry. You put that on a rotisserie, that chicken ready to rotate. You put that in the oven, that chicken ready to roast and bake. I'm a poet and don't know. That boy good. Dr. Flava, Dr. Dre. It's all coming around. But yeah. So, but yeah, put that in. That don't smell right. And you can tell. Now that's seasoned. Under the skin, on the skin, around the skin. And you can tell that it's not overly seasoned. That's a nice light seasoning. Now the reason I'm doing that is because as this sits in this bag, right, and marinates and intensifies. Now I'm putting it in here, but what I'm going to do is in a second, I'm about to lay them flat. Don't think I'm just bunching them up in there. So then I take that, turn that to the side, flip that over. Now I'm laying them flat. You see that? One there, one there, one there. Chicken flat. Chicken flat. Right? Pull the skin back over. So now when I seal this, you could tell when I right there, this is going to be seasoned and ready. We're going to put what season this is on this and what it's ready for. Now this is seasoned ready for frying, baking, and rotisserie. I'm going to take some more of this and I'm going to make it's called arroz con pollo. Capollo, whatever. Capollo, Capone. It's all the same. Capone and Noriega, it flips around. So when it come back to it, the point of the matter is this. Let me show you the seal on one, and then I'm going to keep it going. Then I'm going to come back. Y'all don't want to see me do all this. Maybe you do. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Y'all never told me before. I done asked you. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish putting this seasoned chicken in, right, in these bags. I'm going to have to probably make another bag. Put this seasoned chicken in. And then from there, we're going to come back when I'm ready to start sealing them. And I'm going to show you how to seal them with a little bit of moisture that's in that. Alright, so see me on the flip side when we come back. You know I ain't going to steer y'all wrong. Dr. Flava got to give y'all some tips and hints and tricks. All that. Alright, so let me show y'all this tip and trick that I got. Alright, so let me show y'all this. Alright, so I fold the bag over. Now this chicken is moist, right? It's not a dry chicken. So I got two settings on this machine, right? I have a dry and a moist setting, right? So this is not dry. Dry is like nuts and dates and all that stuff. So I put it on moist. Now let me show y'all something. When I put this up like this, right? Put the bag in, put this up, then start it, alright? It starts taking the moisture, taking this, right? Now I want y'all to see. Now you tell there's a little air still in there. Alright? There's air still in there. Nothing crazy amount, but it's still air in there. Now it's sealing. Alright? It's sealing now. Now because it's moist, it does a slightly longer seal to pass through that moisture. Alright? Now it does a decent job in sealing that. Now also, I have gunk at the top. So when I open it, that's all chicken juice up there. And this is somewhat vacuumed, but not really. Alright? But it's a decent vacuum on there. That's what happened with the moist. I learned this little trick right here. Alright? So what you do is you put a paper towel up here. Now a paper towel ain't gonna do nothing. It's not like the food gonna taste like paper towel or anything like that. But I leave it on the dry setting, right? I put this up there. Now on the dry setting, it's gonna pull out more. That's what it does. So now what it's doing is, now it's pulling this out. Any moisture is going to this. Alright? Now all I'm doing is trying to help ease out this this air. Alright? Help ease out this air. Now you see, it's starting to get a little tighter. Alright? Now, I don't want it to get too tight. Alright? Because then it's going to start deforming my chicken. So at this point, I hit seal. Now it's going to seal that for me. Now remember, this is moist. There's nothing wrong with how this is packed. Nothing wrong whatsoever. But look at that. Look at my counter now. Put it on the counter. Put it on here. Now, look at this. You see that? Dry up there. Paper towel, stop all that. So that's just a little trick for y'all. Just a little trick for y'all to show y'all the difference. You know what I mean? And how this stuff go down. That's it. I'm here to give y'all the tips, trips, and secrets, man. That's all I do. Now, of course, I could have let this go down a little bit further, but I just wanted to show y'all. I'm going to reopen this and make this a little tighter. But I just wanted to show y'all the difference and how sometimes you can get away with a tighter seal with a dry setting with moist things. Just put that paper towel up. That paper towel stop anything from coming above. You see, it's nothing above this. Nothing above that. That's beautiful. But up here, you see all that little moisture out there? It's falling down. Look, it's falling behind. So that's just some things you want to be aware about. You can also do a moist and put the towel up there. So that's still fine too, but just the paper towel itself help absorb some of that moisture. Then when you're ready to cook it, unless you sous vide in it or something like that, take the open it, take the paper towel out. That ain't going to stop nothing. Now this, because the paper towel is in this one, we're not going to do anything like a sous vide with this because we don't want to cook the paper towel with the stuff. Paper towel disintegrate, you know, it's going to be hard to take it off the chicken. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to probably take this out and fry this or rotisserie this. Freeze this, fry, rotisserie it. With this one, I had the option to sous vide it. You know what I mean? Because there's nothing in there. It's just the chicken. So I might sous vide this and then put that nice brown on it. Listen, boy, you don't know about that, boy. But I might do that. Now, also, let me show you what I'm about to do. This is just a little something to show you how to prepare. Because if you write what this is on here, you can start preparing your meals way ahead of time. That means when you come home or before you go to work, you take this out, pop it in, it's already ready in season. Every time, already ready in season. So that's just a little something to show y'all. I ain't been here for a minute, so I'm coming back light. Now, I might show you this arroz con pollo that I'm about to make in a little bit. But for now, this is just this. Now, probably that arroz con pollo will probably be a separate video. But I'm going to do that with this chicken here. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to vacuum this as well, clean that blood and stuff off, vacuum this, and season that differently. Now, I'm going to season this one with some of that Sazon, right? So I'm going to season that with that, get a little bit of that Spanish flavor in there, and then, you know, have different types of chicken ready for me. But yeah, that's just Dr. Flavor, put a little flavor in your mouth, you know what I mean? Signing out. Holla at me, let me know what's good. Let me know if y'all have any tips and tricks for what I just did, and maybe I could refine my stuff. Put it in the comment section down below, let me know. But, alright, I'm signing out. Take it easy.